The skin of the kiwi is not only edible but also nutritious. Eating the whole kiwi increases the fiber you consume by 50%, which not only helps with bowel movement, it keeps you full longer. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, but it is not just the flesh of the apple that is good for us.
A few moments later.
Apple cores are packed with good bacteria that can improve your gut health. After you're done eating, you don't even need to look for a trash bin. Pumpkin and garlic skins both contain fiber, vitamins and minerals which can enhance your overall health. So, will you still peel the goodness away?